This is the 100-watt USB-C to USB-C cable from Native Union, 2.4 meters. It looks like this. And I got the pink one because it was cute. So it's supposedly super strong. I don't know, I was just a bit tired of all black cables, everything. Lifetime warranty. That is nice if they hold true to their word, because the reason I'm buying this is because my last cable stopped working. I think I basically broke it. How do I get this thing loose? Okay, so it comes in some fancy viewing thing. So you have this strap to keep everything nice and connected, which is nice. It's not adjustable, but I'm sure you can just punch some more holes in it. And this is what it looks like. So this part is shiny metal and this part is a more matte finish. I don't know why they didn't just do this one on both sides. It looks better. Yeah, feels sturdy. I don't know, it's got some weight to it for being a cable, and yeah, seems like it's good quality as promised. Better be. Let's hope this one doesn't break on me. So that's it, that's the unboxing. Whoa, amazing.